Hey guys, so this is by far the easiest bag that anyone can make, and the good thing is that you can either make it with or without the sewing machine. You can sew it by hand if you are good at stitching. It doesn't require any pockets, like you're not cutting up anything. You just need a rectangular piece of cloth. So for me, I just took a waste piece of cloth that I had. It was just there, and I'm going to use it to sew the bag. And the good thing with this one is that you can also dismantle it anytime that you want. Like, it's very easy to make and also very easy to take apart. So after you have tied the knot, then you will align the sides together and then sew as the way that I have shown. So you'll do the sides and then you do the bottom.
Fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really...
So after you're done sewing the bottom, you're pretty much done. But if you want to make it a little bit more aesthetic, you sew the corners, and then you can add a bow or a ribbon or just something to make it look cool. So for me, I will add a bow, and that is what I am sewing. So guys, if you are new here, please remember to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. It will go a long way in helping me to grow my channel. And God bless you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So the rest of the video is self-explanatory. We'll just be doing some improvements on the bags to make it look aesthetic.
As you fade away.
And that's it for the bag. It's simple, very handy when going to the market or when just going to do some shopping at the supermarket. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in my next video. God bless you so much, and bye.